So I'm about to move this couch right here just to see how it would look in this area. Okay, y'all, so I just left Walmart. This fabric here. Section here from where it's at right here all the way down to the next edge. I'm just gonna section and place, section and place, section and place, and staple it all together. And that's basically how I'm gonna do it, y'all, because this is my first time upholstering a couch, and it don't need no new padding or anything like that. Anyway, that's what I'm about to do. So y'all just sit back and watch. I get my staples loaded up in the staple gun. Here I'm just showing you guys the muslin, how I have it doubled and cut to shape. I'm going to go ahead and staple that down. Then I'm going to come through and add my Sherpa fabric on top. And that muslin fabric, I have it doubled, and I also have it there just as a background color so that this fabric that I'm putting on top will not have any of the old couch background color coming through. And it just gives it a more sturdy look, and it looks really decent. I'm so glad I decided to do this instead of just using the fabric on its own. It would not have turned out the same. Trust me, you have to use the muslin if you're going to do this as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut the Sherpa fabric to shape, and I'm going to go ahead and staple that down as well. And I did this for every part of the couch in each section. So I went ahead and used doubles of the muslin, cut it to shape, stapled it down. Then I went over top of that with the Sherpa fabric, and I cut it to shape and stapled it down, and everything turned out really beautiful. I'm doing the same thing that I'm doing with this fabric with the Sherpa fabric. And then I'm going to add those two pieces maybe on camera. Okay. I used the hot glue gun and I glued these seams right here together so they're together really good. It's still drying. I might go over it a second time, but for the most part it's good. And I also did go over the hot glue gun on each of these ends as well. Y'all can see these are the 4 feet that go to the chair. Matte finish, no prep, acrylic paint, and it's chalk. And I'm gonna use this layering brush. Okay guys, so I went and got this 1.5 inch foam, project foam, or it's the 1 inch foam, project foam. I got it from Walmart, and I'm gonna use it in the back of the seat. that is it, girls and guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This was my first time upholstering a couch, so take it easy in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more content. XOXO. Deuces.